What is weight adjustment? Weight adjustments refers to the process of redistributing or changing the weight on board the helicopter to ensure it stays within the allowed center of gravity and it doesn't exceed the maximum gross weight. This is crucial because the helicopter's performance, stability, and control can be significantly affected by improper weight distribution. Let's talk about a couple of different scenarios. If the center of gravity is too far forward, it may be hard to raise the nose, especially during a landing. Or if the helicopter's center of gravity is too far aft, the helicopter could become unstable and difficult to control, particularly in forward flight or auto rotation. If a helicopter is overweight, it may not be able to even hover or climb or perform the maneuvers safely, and could even exceed the structural limits of the airframe. So how do you go about this? First off, calculate the basic empty weight. This is the starting point for your calculations. The basic empty weight includes the helicopter itself, plus any installed equipment, unusable fuel, and certain fluids like oil. Subtract the basic empty weight from the maximum gross weight to find out how much load you can carry. This includes passengers like fuel, cargo, and other equipment. Use the weight and balance charts or loading graph method from your helicopter's pilot operating handbook, or POH. The center of gravity is calculated by multiplying each item's weight by its arm, the distance from the reference point, then dividing the total amount by the total weight. Adjust the load as necessary. If your center of gravity is out of range, or if you're over the maximum gross weight, you'll need to adjust. This can mean shifting cargo or passengers, moving weight forward or aft as needed to bring in the center of gravity into the proper range. If you're over gross weight, you may need to reduce the fuel that you're carrying for that specific flight. After making the adjustments, always recheck your calculations to ensure the helicopter is balanced and within safe operating limits. Always remember, weight and balance calculations are not just numbers, they're crucial for safety. And here's a little humor to keep it light. Why don't helicopters ever fly near cemeteries? Because they're afraid of the dead weight. I'm sorry. Truly. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about helicopters, I got a free course to get you started with helicopters. There is a link down below in the description. Love to help you out.